Okay, this should be working. Everything should be working. Okay, I'm opening the stream. Okay, your chat works. Okay, this should be working. This should be working. Perfect. Mode. Okay, the chat is working. Perfect. It's actually not working. 1 second. Damn. Okay, 1 second, guys. Okay, 1 second, guys. This is gonna start fast, bro. Once I just get the stream correct, we're gonna start fast. Okay, all I need is to get the stream correct because I have something wrong here. Where's mine? This is. Thing is, the problem is the chat is not loading the stream. That's the problem. It should be loading chat. Stream point. Okay. That's gonna be talking. 0. So I put starting. Okay, perfect. One day, where you at? Here, copy. Where you at? I think I got it, guys. I got it. Okay. Okay. Here, perfect. You guys can type. I can see the chat. Is there any way to lower the volume so here your voice will come out better? Lower my volume or the music? I'm not sure which one you're talking about. If there's an audio issue, you guys can tell me. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, once I get this live, it should be working. Problem is my chat is connected through Twitch. So if you chat on YouTube, it's gonna show. But if I think yes, close streaming. Okay, perfect. I think that's it. Okay, I think I got it working. I'll be myself. Hey everyone. Ricardo Rodriguez. Hello Ricardo. Okay, the chat is working, guys, so you can see it there. As I'm doing through Restream because my chat is currently only shows on Twitch, so I have to merge them together to Restream. I have to fix that. But we're almost ready to come up to get into the game. Everything I'm using is on the description, so if you guys want to use that, you can use it. Okay, let me close this out. Close everything out. Okay, perfect. The background music is too loud. Okay. Is that better? I just lowered the music. Tell me guys if that's better. Hello okay, let me increase my volume. Okay, perfect. Let's start this. So first let's close out. Oh wait, I'm missing my wait. I'm missing the terminal. I'm missing the left terminal. So what I do is go here terminal and then choose. Let's do. Okay, I have the right terminal. There we go. Perfect. Let me make sure it's correct. This is supposed to be okay. Like that's fine. We're gonna be doing some stuff from there. I'm gonna open a big terminal here. So first let me show you guys what's the setup. People, there's a few guys here. Okay, this is how it goes. GitHub Svelte. This is how the process goes. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set up Tailwind, Supabase, everything in one go through this tool. It's called Sveltekit. It does everything for me. You can do it through normal way. You just go to like the Sveltekit side, the links in the description, and do it that way. But this is fine. So let me increase the size for this for you guys so you can see. For anyone that's on mobile. Friends. My text column rows, so why it doesn't let me increase the size of the text. So 100 here. You guys Can read what I'm typing? Oh. So let's do this. Okay, we're gonna do npm. Oh, let's do ls documents projects. Okay, and let's create a new project. I'll code if it's in blue. I don't know why it's not letting me change the. Normally, you can increase the size by just typing Ctrl+, but there we go. There we go. It lets me know. Okay, can you guys see it now? The text in blue. Text in red, but what text in red? The text is in blue. Oh, you mean this? Yeah, because that's not the command. If it's in red, it's because it's not the command. Once you see the full command, it will be blue, so it's fine. We do npm. Come on, npm, and we do create spelled kit. That's for Sveltekit. You can do with Vite. If you do Vite, you can do React, you can do Svelte. But if you're gonna do React, you don't use spell add, you use like Vite. That's it. Vite. We're gonna do the latest. Then we have to set up a name. So let's do what's the a art and a inspections. Alright, inspections. Okay, this is a site. This is a site that we're gonna be building and where we're going to be deploying. I have a repo for them already, but I'm gonna create everything from scratch so you guys can see. I'm gonna just do RNA inspections. So I'm gonna capitalize that inspection. That tool will automatically let you create. Okay, proceed. Correct. You're gonna see how easy it is. Okay, Sveltekit add Sveltekit app initializer. So it's starting the Sveltekit app. Here's Sveltekit if you guys wanna check that out, but you can also try because you can do the same. You can do Sveltekit React. Okay. Share this chat. Can already open a preview. I'm gonna be deploying, but this one is this is the all like just coming soon that I put for them. That link is if you guys want to do on React. So we have a project cd art, or we can just do code and then folder name, the project name, to open it in code. Here we have it. Let's see what we got. Okay, we got a byte config. That's the server side. That's replacing the one we use. The same one we use in school is called something pack, webpack. That's replacing webpack. Sorry. We got a Sveltekit config file. That's it. We don't have a get in it, so we'll have to create that. So right now it's not tracking anything, so we can do that. I'm gonna do it through the UI so you guys can replicate that better, but like you can do it through a terminal. We got a static folder here where we put images, everything, source folder with routes and everything. So this is how we start the project. First we have to add Tailwind, I failed and I made one mistake here. I should have done like npx and then sorry, npm like that, but add the dependency at the end and it will do automatically, but I forgot. That's fine. So now once I have that done, all I have to do is, for example, I want to add Tailwind, correct? Let me show you. Just do npx latest Tailwind. That's it. Copy paste. I don't even have to type it in. And that will all Tailwind to my project already. Fully set up, right? Sorry, I'm not in the project directory. Run inspection. Let's do that. Okay, I have to run npm install. Never do install, just type I and it will do it. But what that's doing is creating setting up Tailwind here. First I'm installing npm, like I'm installing the project, and then I'm gonna be adding Tailwind to it. Aside from Tailwind, you have other utilities you can add through here. You got bootstraps when I use bootstrap. You get CoffeeScript, PostCSS, ADL tree, unsupported, you know, probably your person npm. Great. Oh, I have a node error. I have to update node B14. Let me see. No, okay, that's error. Let's just do it in bash then. Oh, yeah. So npm yeah, I was doing it through page and I have a configuration error. I've been using another system for a long time, so I haven't updated this in a while. I have to fix those kind of issues. Now we can do npx about add latest Tailwind to add Tailwind to our project, and you're gonna see here. Oh, it's already pre-configured. So boom, we had Tailwind already, and it will work. We can also add pn. I forgot this is the only thing. Tailwind pretty. That's why if I started Tailwind period. That's to add Tailwind period to the project. This is so that's so it sorts out your Tailwind classes. Okay, we have a project running. Let's run that. Okay, and we can open it. Control here. Welcome to Sveltekit. That's it. That's the an empty project. That's how you do an empty project in Svelte. So we have this done already. I'm gonna close it from here because I want to keep the terminals running. So I'm gonna minimize this and then open this on my side. So you guys can see I do mobile first. So let's do mobile first. We're gonna go straight into it. I'm just gonna go through the files and the layout a little bit, but we're gonna go straight into building the top bar, the menu, right? Here we don't have to set up anything. All we need to do, you do Ctrl P and then you go open any files you have to open. I don't need to open files yet. I'm going to be creating a few things. First, in the source folder, we're gonna add a new folder called lib. This is where all your components will live. So if we add capitalized link list that spelled all spell files ent.svelte. We do that, and then you can add your code here. How the code works on how the framework works is just do script TypeScript wait, it's incorrect. Yeah, that package has the incorrect setup, so that's a problem. Okay, let's just do it from scratch again. 1 second. I can see because we don't have TypeScript on the project, so we do rm df and we do rn inspection. So we do recursive, and then we close the folder, close folder. Let's do that again. Done. And then we do here, you go Sveltekit. Here you're gonna see the code exactly how it does it. npm create. That's it. npm create my app. Let's do again r and a inspection. Same thing. I have to update note. Here you can select demo app, skeleton projects, library to build libraries for anyone, for Sveltekit, or if you want to build library for other frameworks, you can do it through here. That's advanced stuff. We do skeleton project, so we want an empty project. Yes, we're gonna use TypeScript. We're gonna do isLink for linting. Wait, let me redo that. So we're gonna do skeleton project. We're gonna do TypeScript. Yes to isLink. Yes for prettier. Playwright for testing. I'll never go into testing, but I'll have it just in case in the future I need it. I just let the setup go. Okay, we have that. Then we do the npm I. So we have to cd to it, and then npm I. We'll install it. Let's install it again. We are running the process again. Again, if you have any guys, if you have any question, you can just say it. Okay, once this install, I'm gonna add the Tailwind again. First, let's okay, let's go. Okay, let's open VS Code. Perfect. Let me add the Tailwind again. There we go. It just get added. So now we have way more files. That's how it's supposed to be. Perfect. Okay, there we go. Let's put this terminal here. Okay, perfect. Here the same, we got byteconfig, we got Tailwind, tsconfig if for VS Code to understand a little more of the linting. Here, the Tailwind command, I'm gonna just put it here. But this is for Svelte. That Tailwind command won't work for React or anything else. If you want to add it, you can just go to the Tailwind docs. Yeah, CD is change director for short. Yeah, I keep fish here because I do prefer fish. Okay, so now we have the static, the test. We're not doing test. ESLint, called linting. We got Oh, I do have a question, but it's not related to this project. I just want to install JS Node, or is it not? It's Node.js. I'm not sure which one to install since there are so many of them. There's Node.js. That's the correct one. I'm gonna share the link, the correct link, just in case you don't. Here, this is the one you have to install. Okay. Perfect. So we do the same. We're gonna add a folder called lib, where our components will live. This is our Tailwind files. Okay, thanks. This is all we need for Tailwind. App.postcss to get this. Add Tailwind base components and utilities to import everything from Tailwind. We have a Tailwind config file that contains this. That's all you need for Tailwind. You have it on like React or any other project that you create. If you're using Webpack, the old thing, like, no idea how I can't help you with that. But like Vite, you don't need anything. Like Vite doesn't have to do it just loads it, because it loads the post CSS automatically. So here in Vercel we have a layout file that's importing, because you have to import it no matter what framework you use. You have to import your root table file that will load in any page that you open. So this is my root layout. So any page or any layout that I create under that, it will always take the post CSS. It will always take the Tailwind, right? This is the page that we see here. Where you at? This is the page. Let's go. So let's start coding. First, we're going to do it through the page, and then we export the component. We're gonna do mobile, so let's do inspect. I'm gonna pop it out because I just want the mobile. We're gonna do mobile first. Okay, it doesn't allow me to. Oh yeah, so I have to run it, and okay, here I'm running the right node. Okay. Let me just create npr sp1 alias on run equal npm that. I'm just creating that alias so I can just run the command. Okay, there we go. So we got npm running. It run fast, so that's it. Looking for any first process. We have an error. Okay, thanks. Gonna find model Tailwind CSS. Search first. Didn't I add it? Or no? I think I did. Did it give me any errors? Okay, let me add that. Yes, create. Get this. Spell Alex. Alright, set up skipping. This project are you? Okay, we have an issue here. hell's going on? That live server was for the previous. No, it should be working. Oh, well, let me check this. Pakistan Johnson, Vite is correct, but Bill. Okay, let's do a check. Run check. Let's run that. No errors, no warning. Okay, that worked. Yeah, there was like cache issue probably. That laser was for. Oh, well, maybe you were right. Not sure what happened there, to be honest. But okay, we got it. We got it working. Perfect. Let's close this. As you see, and the only thing we added is Tailwind and Prettier. To be able to better format our code, right? So now we go to a page and then we can start. If I like remove welcome and save, it will automatically do it from here instantly, like no delay at all, right? So let's start designing. So designing a navbar, right? First, we're gonna do nav. No, I don't want big list, so let's do. How do you want to start this? Okay, let's do nav that. We're gonna do flex. We're gonna use justify around. We're gonna do flex is just to split flex. Justify around is just separate it. Justify around. I'm gonna do fix. I wanna fix. Fixed. This is like Tailwind. This is Tailwind plus the MA command. So we want to fix. That's it. Fix. Inside there, let's just put this too, so we can start things, saying things. Okay. Let me do. Where's the? 1 second. Let me change something here. Here, responsive. I want a responsive page because I don't want touch. Guess which is the font plus the tools. Okay, no, that's fine. Now we don't have push. Okay, of course the link's not working yet, but we have something, right? So flex is far around fix. Okay, we do width full, and then it looks like that. We're gonna do a background of slate 200. We have a background. Let's do a padding of 8 pixels, 0.5 rand. Okay. 4 I think is correct, and let's do padding top only. Like Y, it means the Y coordinate, so I'm doing padding on top, on the bottom only. Perfect. Let's start our third element. This element is gonna be our button on the right side. That will hide the links because we don't really need the links. We just need the we only need the logo and the click menu, right? But let's do, so this is how you do a hamburger menu. All you need to do is just do one div, right? With 3 div inside, with another div times 3, right? Then this is all you need. We do in each div inside, you do a width of whatever you want, or height of, if you want it like this or if you want it like this. So we want it with a height width, or we'll do width 4. We do 4 and height of 1, right? We're gonna do a background of black, make them black. Okay, perfect. Here we're gonna do flex, we're gonna do column, so we want it stacked. Flex column, and then we're gonna do a gap of 1 separated with 4 pixels, right? You can see already how it's looking there. We can do rounded, we can round the borders a little bit, so we do rounded. Perfect. Black is too black, so we'll do slate. We can do 600. That looks a little more, a little bit better. Okay. Instead of with 4, we do 6. That's perfect. Now on click, we want to rotate it. So let's do some JavaScript now, or some TypeScript. JavaScript. So let's do the rotation of the element. So here, how you do in Svelte, you do script line TypeScript. If you want to do TypeScript, if you know you don't do that. And then first let's do is open, just for the menu. Let's do let. Here use let in order to make it reactive. You don't have to do like in React you have to do the hooks, you have to set state, use state, things like that. All that's handled just using let. So we'll let false. Perfect. And we're gonna add on click here, so we can switch this for a button. Oh, we can add that for a button, so it has, we can click it. So we do on click, right? Is open equal to is open. What's happened? Type only is not able to type mouse event. Okay, so we do, okay, we set up a function and use reverse, like toggle back and forth that if it's open or not. Let's use log that out so you guys can see. Cancel. Let's log. Close that panel. Okay. So here we do, this is spell thing, so you know. Log is open, so every time log changes it's gonna open it. Let's do that. You see on the bottom it says true false, true false. That's what, because as already working. So now the good thing about Tailwind is you don't have, so you can modify React. You can do styles, like your style tags, or use CSS style reactive, so you have to do it through JavaScript. But here, since we're using Tailwind, we can literally just do this. Let me close this, close that, and focus on this. As if it's too, wow, used to do the manual logo pretty good. Okay, yeah. If it's small, you guys let me know. All this code you can literally use it anywhere. The only thing you cannot use is like the functionality, but the actual design you guys can like basically copy and paste or type it in to React or to whatever framework you guys want to work on. So this is the thing. I want to do when it's open, I want to rotate it. So we do this. We do open curly braces, right? and when we do our code inside. So we do it's open, right? Question mark, the true value. When it's open, we want to rotate. Oh, sorry, we have to, yeah. Rotate. We're gonna do 45 degree. I believe that's fine. 45 degrees. Then we do this, and then nothing. We don't want to do nothing when it's not there. Now this one, like right now, I'm just gonna see what's going on, right? All of them are rotating. All of them. I don't want all of them. So first, the one on the bottom, I want to put a negative. The one on the bottom, no. Okay, that's fine. So now we're gonna translate it. Correct. The question mark means if, and this means else. That you're correct. So here, this one, the one on the bottom, this one we're gonna do opacity 0. We're gonna remove it. Okay. Now what we're gonna do is translate use J Bravest Live. Thank you for following. Yeah, thanks for following. Event. I mean, you can use everything. Just remember, at the end of the day, your code is following other people, like other people to read it. The best practice in code is for other people to read it, and it's standard for the I to be used because it means item. Okay, so the I means item. Obj means objects. Certain keywords means other like certain things, and just it's better, like more readable using I, like it's faster to read. That's why people use it, but like you can use whatever. Okay, we're gonna do translate. So since the it's 6 pixels, not 6 pixels, but it's actually, let me see here, I'll show you. So it's 25 pixels wide, right? We're gonna do translate it the half of that to the bottom. So we're gonna do 12, and instead of X, we're gonna do Y. That should, there you go. That should make that. Okay, we're gonna do the same to the bottom one, but negative. And reverse it. Okay, perfect. And then we're gonna do no, 1 second. Save, come on. Okay, oh, that's pretty cool. That's good enough. I'm not gonna dig. I had to move the one up a little bit. That's what I had to do. So translate Y, and then we're just gonna do 1 negative. Yeah, that's fine. That's not perfect, but that's fine. And all we have to do now is transition. We can do this transition, and that will do that. You guys see, right? But like we're gonna make it better. So we're gonna do transition all duration. We're gonna do 200. I like 200. Let's do 300. Okay. That's working perfect. It's open. Rotate. So this transition, we have to move it out of here because We want it to be always like that. Maybe always like that. Let's copy this. There we go. Okay, so the y means in the y coordinate. Means the y means the y coordinate, x means x coordinate. So if we do x, move it like this. If we do y, move it like this. And negative means down. I mean up, possibly goes down, or vice versa. Now I forget, but that works. We can actually do colors too. So we're gonna do now. Right now is slate 600. Slate 600. We're gonna go here. Come on here. So instead of 6, sorry. So this one is fine. I do. We're gonna slate. You can do, instead of 6, we can do a little bit darker. We're gonna do 900. I mean, 900 is way darker. Well, not there. Sorry. Here. And I'll be doing also the sidebar here. This one I can remove it. So you like horizontal, vertical? Yes, correct. Pretty slick motion. Thank you. As you see, it's not complicated. You can pretty much replicate it once you get the hang of it. So you just have to understand a little bit how Tailwind works, but it's not hard. That's what I'm saying. It's not hard. You can replicate it pretty easy. The hard thing is knowing, like coming up with the idea itself, because sometimes you think it's like, oh, it's like it's too complicated, and then that's why you don't do things. So right now, see how it goes darker. We go, and then we have here true and false. Okay, perfect. So now this we want also not to be showing if it's small. So what we do is we do hidden, right? And then, oh no, I'm sorry, flex. Yeah, it's flex already. So we do empty for medium up. So tablets and up. So tablets and up. So we do MD and we do hidden. Now if you see me increase the size, right? You see how it goes away. If it's if it's in a tablet, things like that, it goes away, right? We want this, the links same. We want them hidden, right? This we're gonna do it in the link list. So we're gonna do flex and grow. And flex grow. Okay. Flex grow. Perfect. With what's going on here? Flex. Justify. Around. There we go. We got the same the same look, but now we have it closed on the div. That means we can do the same as we did here. We can use to boom, hide it, but instead now on middle, we're gonna hide it on small screen. How we do that is we, instead of your flex, we do md. So it's gonna be display flex on anything bigger than small screens like a phone, and then phone we're gonna do hidden. That's how you do a mobile. You see, now it's hidden, and if I increase the size, boom, see, there we go. Now we're gonna do, we want to do the logo now, and put the logo here. I'm gonna show you guys how I do my logos and my stuff. All this I did it. It's my no. This one I did it for a client, but that's not the one that we're doing today. Your brand pages. I'm gonna do RNA home inspection. Okay. So we need a logo. I want an SVG file preferably. So this is, what file is this? PNG. SVG. Oh, okay. SVG. So we want SVG. What logo you guys think it will look better? This one, just the icon. Okay, just the icon for small, and this one for big. Okay, so we're gonna do this one and this one, or big screen, small screen, or you can even use it vice versa if there's too many links. But for now, we're gonna use small and big. Okay. Let me open the shown folder, and this is how you do this. You can do it in React too. So let's go back to okay. We're gonna do in static. We'll just move it here, right? Element type breakdown must be declared. Ignore all that. It's just not loading the right SVG. I'm gonna copy the SVG. You can import the SVG straight to it. Icon looks pretty orange. Yeah, it's supposed to be orange. Yellowy orange. So we're gonna use those colors in the website too. Okay. We can do a straight over here again, right? A straight over here. But cool things. Let me show you how you do components. This is how you do components, right? I copied this already. Just click so you guys can see. I just copy this SVG, and this is like regular HTML. Like, let's go on new file, and we're gonna do logo that spelled. Right, let's open that, close this. I was supposed to have something here, but let's do second, guys. I'm gonna say RNA. Open. Okay. So you can also, you guys can see the at least that. There you go. Just to have something there. There's not. It has an incorrect form. Let's do open source. Okay, so you guys can see on routes. Perfect. You can see a little bit there. Something there on list. Looks pretty. Okay, so this is what we do. We open a script tag, close it. Okay. We don't type anything here. That's fine. So we do like that's fine. Let's do is open again, and we do export. We do export to use it as a to be able to use as a prop, right? So we're gonna do this is TypeScript. Just do boolean, so it means it's only yes or no, and let's create a code, right? That's it. Like that's our code right there. All we need is the SVG. Perfect. All we need is the SVG. We're gonna keep that there. Let's do this log is open. That's perfect. Remove this from here. Right. Now in our page, what we do in our page, all we have to do is import that logo, right? How are we gonna do that? Just you go to here, insert it first, and then do how we called it. We call it logo, right? We just do logo and auto import stuff for us, right? From the right place. You see that lib folder logo ignores doesn't matter the folder structure, doesn't matter anything, and we pass in as open, right? We pass it in as this. If it's called the same, you pass it in as that. If you know, you do it equal with equal sign, pass in whatever prop you have. Okay, so we pass that. Let's close the. So now that's pretty big. Now it's pretty big, right? But if you see here, it's passing that that prop true or false, and we can do a lot of stuff with it. So I'm gonna show you a little bit. So first, let's enclose this in a div with 10, right? 10. Oh. Alright, 10. We have it pretty small now. Let's do 20. That's 20. Okay, let's see what's going on here. It's 80 pixels. Remember, we had that border that is extra, so we can remove that border from here. The border is here. Let's close this border. Y4. We don't need that because the logo is adding the border already. We have a little too big, so we're gonna do 16. That's fine. What do you guys think? Do you think that that's fine? Okay. We're gonna switch it up the coders and everything a little bit. This is just functionality, right? Here we're gonna do flex, just far around, and we're gonna center everything. Items, centers. There we go. That's center. Perfect. Okay. Now since we're passing this, just rate that size. Okay, perfect. Since we're passing this, what we can do is go to our component we call logo, and then start messing around with this, correct? So let's see. We have a fill option here that we can mess with it, but the best thing is we can just do this. Okay, this is not gonna be pretty good because this is not clean. A clean SVG. It has like too many. It has transforms and things. That becomes a problem. So let's try something out. Well, Yeah, as removing one path all down there. So that's that path is like this one group. We don't need that. So we have rectangle, 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 rectangle. We don't need any this for rectangle. We need this one and this one, right? I want to do the bottom one. Oh, 1 second. Class. Let's open edit. Let me see. Let me stress that. Okay, perfect. But instead of hidden, I wanna translate y to. Okay, let's do x. No, I'm sorry, not x. Negative. Translate properties incorrect here because it has this transform matrix. Nah, I'm not gonna deal with that. I'm not dealing with that. So I'm gonna ignore it for now, but you can do it. I'll have to like check the transform stuff to see what are the right options. So I'm just gonna go back, remove the class. I don't need that. But you can do colors, you can do whatever you want. It's just not clean. It has a lot. It has transform, so we don't need that. Okay, let's ignore that for now. Okay, we have this links, right? But now this links we need to put it in kind of in all component. When ignore for now, we're gonna just do the sidebar. So we're gonna do the sidebar. Oh, Metasario, thank you for the raid. Thank you for the raid. Hello, hello everyone. Hello. Okay, so now we're gonna do the sidebar, and to do the sidebar is just as simple as this. We have the navigation here, and we're gonna do so you can do div. Use a regular div. Oh, let me just do it here. So we're gonna do over forgot my name. Sorry. Collect. Absolute. I'm sorry. Yeah, I forgot. Okay, absolute. We're gonna do absolute. We're gonna do absolute. We're gonna do a height of screen, meaning the whole screen is gonna be height screen, and a width of just 20%. We'll do 20%. There might be something there. I'm just gonna do. Oh, I can't do this now. 20% is 1/4, 1/5, 1/4. Okay. 25% is fine. 25. Yeah, 20% I can do 1/5. Okay, we do this. Come on, stop. Show it up. Here, and then here's 1/5. Perfect. Perfect. And we're going to do a background of. We did 200 on the other one, so we're gonna do 200 here to main. We're gonna do 200 here too. Perfect. We want it on the right side, so we're gonna do right 0. There you go. Perfect. We're gonna do max a screen. Max screen. Yeah. So it never goes bigger than the screen. If I increase the size, it's gonna increase in size, but 20% is a little bit too low. You're gonna do 20%, 25. What do you guys think? I think it's still too low. Put it half the screen. can do 33%. Let's do 40%. Let's do 40% is the one I want. Where you at? 4%, 2 out of 5. Okay, that's fine. That's perfect. Okay, let's do a shadow. Let's do large shadow. That's perfect. Okay, now this is how I get why it gets cool, right? We can simply do this. We can go here all the way at the back, right? And do this is like the easy way to do it. You can do this. So it's open, translate. Oh, sorry, forget the text. Let me nice. So the logo doesn't disappear when you resize it. Right now, no. Right now it doesn't disappear. I'm gonna show you, but it doesn't. We have it outside the hidden class here. Okay, so we're gonna do translate. You're gonna translate it. We need 20%. 40% is the one we're looking for, so it's 2 out of 5. 2 out of 5. Oh. What was 20%? 2 out of 5. I need to translate it 20%. Okay, if you don't find it, you can just do this. Maybe just do 20%, and it still works. And then now we do the false value, and we do the opposite. So instead of translate x 20%, now we do the same here. Let's just copy that. Copy that, and then we inverse it and translate x 20%. Let me see what's going on here. Translate x 20%. Oh, 40%, sorry. It's 40%. 60. Why? What's the width? 40% of the screen. Oh, we're moving it 40% of the screen. So let's do for view width. That's it. Okay, and we do here 40 view width. Okay, right now opens and it will close now because I need to make sure that this is not over my thing. So how we do that is in the button we just do Z. We can do 10, it's fine. And do here Z. Let's do 20 here. Alright. Oh, I put it inside the nav. 1 second. I don't need it inside the nav. Oh yeah, I know what the problem is. You hate JSX? Pretty much. I don't like JSX. Okay. Yeah, no, I think it's messy. Here I can separate logic from code and just insert snippets or like little functions. Okay, what's going on here? Okay, where's my C value? say 10 and we have say 20. So let's take this out because this doesn't really need to be on the navbar, but I'm gonna keep it. I'm just gonna keep the navbar all the way on top. Perfect. Here. And what we're gonna do is here we're gonna do a transition. Transform, because we're transforming it. We don't really need the colors. We can just transform all. Duration, let's do 300. And here we're going to do opacity, and we're gonna bring it from 0. 0 I think is too much, but just in case. Opacity 100. In the C, yes, correct. That's in the 6. You can use hover or any value, and it's gonna give you the CSS. I can actually let you guys open, like, see the website. I can open a dev server. Just give me a second and I'll do that so you guys can interact with it. Capacity 100. As vice versa. So here, when open. Sorry, those. What do you guys think? Also, we need that to be hidden. MD over, so tell it up hidden. And here we got UC5 run. We're gonna do UC5 evenly. No. UC5 between. And then just do padding X. BX, let's do 10. That's it. Perfect. We're getting it. We can also do. We know the height of this. We can change this, but it's okay. Okay, I don't like this color. I need to be a little bit. I don't know. I'll change the colors later, but we have this. Let's increase the size of our site. The menu goes away. We don't have an navbar anymore. MD hidden. We don't have this. We have the links, and we have the logo. Okay, perfect. The logo, we have to convert it to an A tag. And the harp, we're gonna just do this, so we can just have a link to the homepage. Alright, perfect. Okay, what else? Let me try to open server for you guys. Terminals, 1 second. See metrics, okay. What was the command? I've done this multiple. Why? So by putting that into anchor, SV in the anchor. No. That means it's just a link. I'm just transferring, like converting into a link. So anyone that clicks on it, go to the homepage. Sidebar. One second, guys. I'm opening. Come on, Quora. Don't let me know. Ngrok, I used Ngrok, but I don't like Ngrok. I have one installed just to remember which one. Change your first action for sure it does. It's called local open port something. Local. Ngrok, I don't want to use Ngrok. Oh, just bear a minute with me. I'm trying to find. It's this one. Browser sync? No, I don't want browser sync. Damn. Oh. I have it installed, but I forgot what the name is. What was the name? It's my. It's a side point. Base kind. Local tonal. Local tonal. That's the one I need. Local tonal. So. NPX local tonal. NPX. LT. There we go. Perfect. LT port. Okay, the port is 5173. 5173. It's a domain. And this. Okay, guys, so you guys can access this. Oh, I was gonna copy and close it. Damn. Yeah, there you go. And access the site. You guys can do that. Ah, damn, I have to run. Okay. Not working. Can you guys open it and let me know if it's working for you guys? Yeah, it is working for me. The cache on this page. This was a server that was built in back then. Application source. Have you guys open it? Okay, I see you guys open it because you can see the stuff here. Okay, perfect. So you guys can play along. Okay, we get this. Perfect. You can try it on your phone too, in case you want to try it on your phone. Now let's do. Okay, let's do the links. Let's do the links first. For the links, I'm gonna take this and literally create a component for it. So new file. We're gonna do shirt. Oh, new file. No, I'm sorry. New folder. Something like this. Shirt. New file. Yeah, it does. It does. So we're doing linked list. Links is fine. Link. Links is fine. That's it. Okay. We're gonna create a linked list here. Great. Perfect. Let's do a little of type. So we're gonna do interface links link. Name on a bash. We can do sorry, we can do icons too, but I'm not doing icons now. This is not an app, this is just a website. Okay, and then let's do that link list. There we go. We got a few of them already. Let's do. No, we don't need nav. I just need the UL. Okay, let me use. Okay, you got this right here. So we need this as the UL, I believe. Yes, it's the UL. Don't need that anymore. Text slate. Okay, I think everything looks pretty good. Let's go to page, and then we do we import the link list here. Oh, we do that like this. Link. There we go. And where we're gonna do it in the middle of the two buttons. We have two buttons. Wait, what's going on here? Where I have to an extra button. Button is extra. This button should be there. Okay, so now we do have here. We're gonna do the linked list again. Okay. So now if I open it, it should have the links. Oh, okay. Yeah, I made a mistake here. So I don't need this. Item xflex. I don't need the hidden one. Okay. Okay, put it around here. What we got? This should be here. Outside the button. Okay. And then just do over in a div, and then just do hidden. And then MD flex. MD block, sorry. There we go. Okay, now here it's not showing up. It's showing up on top, so yes, open it. Perfect. Okay. Let's close that. If the text is too small, something, you guys let me know. So that is an issue here. Let's showing up on top. Like if I do this. If I take this out. Oh, not that. Here, if I take this out. You see, it's showing up there. So I need to fix that. Okay, so how we do that? We have a flex justify run. Simple. We do vertical, horizontal. So we can do here. We can import a prop. I mean export. Column. Yeah, no, but I'm just gonna do. We can do vertical. No. Yeah, we're gonna do this vertical. Boolean, and by default is to false. X for let vertical boolean, perfect. And now we do here same thing. Vertical, open this, and we do flex call. Else we do none. And here, where's the other? We got one here. We got one here. Okay, we do vertical. Here we go. Perfect. Now, in order this, we have to add in top to do 20%. So 2 out of 5. All right. I'm gonna keep that open for now. So I'll do it. I wanna do. Can I do percentage? No. So bad and top. Oh, we can use. Not sure. Let's just do then just a big padding. I'll figure out a better way later. 6 is fine. Oh no, not 6. Let's do 96 pixel. And remove the transparency here. Perfect. Okay, let's keep setting up our links. So we want to 65 run. Copy that. Here you go, full. Okay. Okay, the post is really big, but that's fine. Stupid. Oh yeah, perfect. I understand. I know. This has to be. Oh, sorry. 20%. Come on. Point. 8 1 half. One, two, and here who fits this. So I'm just dividing this flex. If you see here, I'm dividing it by 2, 50 and 50. So we can separate and we can put like the logo or whatever else there, a login button, anything, we can separate it. Flex code is the font. We add it here. 24 pixels, 24. That's okay. But then why justify run? Justify between. So I can start there. And then we can just center it. It's center. Okay, perfect. We're gonna have more links, so let's just do add. Come on. How the hell do they? Why it's not? It's gonna do manually. Okay, we have a few of them. Let's do home about contact services. Let's do services. Services. Area. Home about contact services. That's it. Let's stream this one. 4 is okay for now. Perfect. Let's do a little animation on those. So we're gonna do auger. I'm gonna scale them by 5%. Let's check. What? Oh, because you're not doing on the link. Yeah, we can do spell link itself. And we're gonna do transition. We're gonna do justify. No, justify. Sorry. Duration. 5 is. Well, that's very small too. So let's increase the sizes. We have size here, so we're gonna do text. We're gonna do large font. Let's do bold. Okay, that looks more like. Okay, this is 600, 300. 1 second. No, let's do 400. 500. Okay, 500 is fine. So then 600, and then here I'm just gonna add group, and this is the cool stuff. Group. And then we do here is like this and do group hover. Group hover. There we go. We do this and let's do 500. 500. And we do over here. That should work. One second. I added the group incorrect. Oh. Yeah. No, it's correct, but it just doesn't look as good in this scenario. Yeah, group over. That's fine for now. Okay. That's about it for now. That's good there. The colors, yeah, they're incorrect, but okay, let's just fill out a little bit of the screen so we can start deploying. Okay. Perfect. Okay, where you at? Okay, so this is an app link, right? So what we're gonna do is like select everything, right click, and then you do spell extract component, right? And here we put nav bar, and then we have an app bar. Perfect. Right? It won't work now. We have to go here, and we have to like maintain that functionality. Like fix the functionality. There we go. So this is the functionality where page. Let's open the button. There you are. Very cool. Yeah, this is the how they say the sidebar. This is the sidebar, and now it's not working because it's not there. But all you have to do is to bind points and then do this open, right? And here in Arba you do export it. Okay, fix that. It should be working now. It's not. So let's open Joe. Oh. And here. Fine. This should have worked. There we go. We got it working. Perfect. We can remove this again and extract it to a different component. We're gonna do extract to component, and this is a sidebar. So we do sidebar, right? That's it. Enter. We got a sidebar. We just do the same. We don't need to do bind because this bind is because the button is inside this navbar, right? If we will be doing like this one, we're just passing the prop, but no switching it back. Then we don't need to bind anything. So save. And oh, we have to export it. Yeah, sorry. So export. And then here all we do is default files and boolean. Perfect. There we go. There we go. Perfect. This we don't need. Import logo links. Yeah, we don't need because we are using the other one. Let's do that. Then we got this. Now here's the coolest part. We don't need that either. We don't need this either. So all this goes to the layout. How we do that is we have sidebar and navbar, correct? And let's see if it's open. So we go open, close everything here. Open on layout. Here we do, let's do a script. Let's do lang. Lang TS. There you go. It's doing it for me already. Sidebar and navbar, yeah. I'm just gonna copy it. Tab and navbar, it's open. Then we select here. Oh, sorry. Main, right? A header. A footer. So in the header, we need this, and then we need that, and this should be working perfect. And we have nothing on page. See, we got nothing. Oh yeah, we still have stuff here. Remove that, and it still works. Okay, that's it. Oh, we forgot to initialize a repo. Let's remove this. Okay, let's commit it. We go. Let's close the server. I'm gonna close the server. I'm gonna commit everything. Add all changes. Do init. Commit. Publish branch. RNA expression. We're gonna do public. Oh, that was 6 already. That's bad. Let's do. to sign in. So I'm gonna be on the stream soon because did that. I'm gonna confirm it. 56. I'm gonna deploy it and then come back tomorrow to keep working on it. Okay. Let's call. Or there we go. Settings. Delete. I'm gonna delete this one because this is all. There's side mic. No, I shouldn't have done that. Because I had this. There. That's fine. It's fine. I'm gonna just put site under construction and that's it. Okay, so we have it as a repo. I mean, I'm gonna add it right now. Okay, publishing it is done. Let's open it, and then let's do Svelte. No, sorry, Vercel. Login. Sorry, it's just on my computer. I'm using another system and I don't have my stuff here. No. 10 minutes of this. It was. Yeah, I'm gonna deploy here in Vercel. For tonight, I'm gonna do it in. Let's fly. At 35 because that's when I had it. Just wanna leave it there. And tomorrow I'll just transfer it. Here, RN inspection. I mean, what's in here? Builds. No deploy. I mean, it's gonna keep there. I'm just gonna keep that and then just deploy a new. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing new to Vercel and new project. Continue with GitHub. Alright, inspection, import, art, and a inspection. Sveltekit deploy. That's it. That's all you need. And it should be live. Deploy. I mean, it should be live once it's finished. The screen's not there. Okay. Well, that was it for today. Tomorrow I'm gonna be doing. I forgot to do the big site, but that's fine. This like works right now. Yes, I didn't add any padding or anything. It's fine. I was doing only mobile for now. But like, come on. There we go. Of course, the links doesn't work. I have no links yet, but what the hell's going on? That's the what? Is the I'm sorry, the let's see. Does that happen on my side? On my local host? Yep. Okay. Where you at? Let me just fix that pretty quick. Layout. Oh, of course. I know why. So sidebar. So let's just where we go. So sidebar has to be here. It's just showing me something. Okay, yeah, there we go. There's an issue with the layout. I'll fix it tomorrow. I'll fix it later, but not stream. I'm gonna eat and just take a break. I'm gonna keep coding, but like I'm not gonna be in stream anymore. It's late already. Have a good night, anyone. Thanks for being in the stream.